Starting a woodworking business will be one of the best decisions you'll ever make in your life. Your woodworking business will provide you with a great part-time income while allowing you to spend more quality time with the family. Best of all, you will have fun doing what you love. Discover the step-by-step guide to launching your woodworking business from home with minimal capital. Let's face it, times are tough right now. People are losing their jobs and struggling to make ends meet. If you've been thinking about starting a home-based business, it needs to be something fun and easy to start. The good news is, I can show you how to get a nice extra part-time income by turning your passion into profits and working right from your garage. The dirty, little secret of home woodworking businesses, here it is: you don't need to be a professional woodworker or own a huge workshop with expensive machinery to succeed. All you need to know is the what, the who, and the where. What items to actually make for the most profits, who to sell it to, and where should you sell it from. It's really that simple, and I'll explain it in a while. But first, if you want an easy-to-start business that does not require you to fork out an arm and a leg for expensive machinery or tools, if you want a business that allows you to work from home and gives you more quality time with your family, if you want something that you can do in your spare time that does not interfere with your regular job, if you want a business that you can grow and become a full-time thing, if you chose to do so, if you want an opportunity that would provide a lot of income, quickly and easily with the skills you already have, learn to start quickly and operate successfully with your home woodworking business. Whatever your aspirations, be they simply to sell your own homemade projects from home or to establish a profitable all-year-round woodworking business, this system will show you how. Here is what is in store for you. Get a very detailed guide that shows you step-by-step how to make money selling wooden furniture, small crafts and other wood projects. There's no waiting around, you'll be making money fast. How to start up the business for under $1,000. The common misconception is that you need a large garage or lots of expensive power tools to get started. Learn little-known marketing methods, getting the word out beyond word of mouth. Even if you live in a rural area, most woodworkers struggle with getting interested buyers. Discover a powerful truth about attracting customers. Hint: this is how you make your business almost immediately profitable. The exact words you should use to sell your products that increases sales. Learn to close the sale without coming off as pushy or desperate. Get a list of high-margin, easy-to-sell, profitable niche crafts you can build using basic woodworking tools. And best of all, you can produce them in batches. Discover the type of furniture to build which has the best markup. Get analysis of the best pieces to make for maximum ROI. The craft secret: if you know it, you could build anything and people would still pay you premium prices. How to tap into a unique, very unique, high-profit niche most retailers, even the largest ones, don't even know about. The top 10 profitable crafts to sell. Don't waste your time figuring it out. I will show you the top-selling products I personally sell. Why you need to understand the porcupine theory, that lets you find customers who are in heat for your product right now. And you'll get this base group of customers fast. How to tap into the cycles of frenzied buying most markets go through. Even a hot market can fail if the market has temporarily gone cold. 12 words that will literally force people who have bought from you once to buy from you again immediately. Get multiple repeat buyers who buy from you over and over again, which makes your business infinitely easier. How to get hundreds of glowing and true testimonials from your customers for free, and what to do with them to generate even bigger profits. A secret method, developed by one of the biggest retailers, to deal with complaints and turn them into additional sales. How, if you already have a business, to dramatically increase your bottom line profits immediately. Discover how to wipe out your competition and suck so much more money out of your current and past customers that your new nickname will be Hoover. Discover where to buy your tools and materials at discounts. This tip alone can save you thousands of dollars over the course of your woodworking career. Get unlimited one-on-one email coaching with Jim. Be guided every step of the way from day one to your very first sale. Cool tips: as your woodworking skills progress, assuming you aren't already an expert, you'll use these tips to produce your projects even faster, without any loss of quality on the finished product. And a whole lot more. Plus, discover killer online strategies and secret resources to make more sales on the internet. How to build a dominating online presence and get targeted web users desperate to purchase your items. Learn how to build a site easily within a day even if you've no techie skills, and get web visitors who are actually interested to buy your stuff. All reveal to you a secret website with millions of users actively looking to buy custom woodwork. And no, it's not eBay or Craigslist. Many of my readers have gone on to start successful businesses there. You'll get real-life case studies of successful woodworking business owners making 4 to 5 figures every month. You'll get a detailed breakdown and see exactly what they are selling, the amount of sales, and who their top customers are. You're gonna discover what are the top selling projects right now at this moment. So you'll know what projects you can build for quick sales. Know exactly what to sell and how much to price it. This is months and months of hard research handed to you on a silver platter. You can simply emulate their business, get inspiration for projects or ideas for new niches. And that's just for starters. Once you get comfortable and start making great money, I'll even show you how to take your business to the next level. You can grow this business as big or as small as you like, it's your choice. Here's what else you'll discover. The proper way to contract out some or all of the work that won't reduce quality of your work. Imagine making predictable monthly income while somebody else does the work. You'll discover how to squeeze your suppliers ethically to get pricing that even the big boys don't enjoy. You'll get professional advice on licensing and taxes by legal experts. This is the boring stuff you need to know. How to increase your chances to get commercial contracts to scale up your business. This is where you get huge profits. The smart way to market your services and products online without spending a fortune. Many woodworkers are struggling with online websites and getting anyone to even visit. How to get into top trade shows and craft fairs. Discover which are the best locations for your store so you'll get constant visitors. Discover a hidden goldmine in a lucrative category. This is something that nobody else is talking about. And so much more. Phew. Great stuff, wouldn't you agree?